Hi, welcome to Brainweaver's E-Trade Retail Management System. In today's session, we will discuss about how to manage a manufacturing or production entry in Brainweaver's E-Trade Retail Management System. Suppose you are dealing a manufacturing unit and you are engaged in the production of bread. You may be using some raw materials to produce the bread like wheat, maida, salt, sugar, yeast. So various raw materials is required to produce the finished goods bread. There will be some production process every day before making the production. You will be planning what will be the quantity of the output. Based on the output, you will use or utilize some quantity of raw materials on pro rata basis or proportionally, that we can manage with the help of a production entry in Brainweaver's E-Trade Retail Management System. So let us go to the stock register first. To go to the stock register, from the main menu, we can choose set price stock register option. Whatever products you have registered, that will appear in the stock register. All information relating to each product we can see in this list, like in which category the product belongs to, what is the minimum quantity we have set up, what is the MRP, what is the cost price, what is the current retail selling price, wholesale selling price, opening stock, purchase, sales, purchase return, sales return, damage quantity, consumption, production, and at the moment what is the closing stock in hand, GST percentages or tariff, as well as what is the stock value based on the cost price as well as retail selling price. What is the total of all the closing stock we have, cost wise, as well as how much profit or what is the expected profit from the total closing stock. All such information you can see in this stock register. Let us filter few items. Out of this huge inventory list, if you wish to filter few of the desired product by clicking the search button and in the product name field by entering few keywords. For example, I want to filter only those products in the product name that contain the word sugar. After entering the search criteria by clicking this get data button that we can see in the bottom, system will filter those items that contain sugar in the product name. Here we can see sugar in kg. At the moment we have 102 metric ton in our stock as loose, and the unit of measure is in kg, and sugar 10 kg bag we have, the unit of measure is bag. 10 kg bag we have in our stock, 185 bag we have in our stock. Similarly 50 kg bag also we have, 50 kg we have 15 bag, and sugar 25 kg bag we have 51 bags in our hand. So I also want to create an item sugar 5 kg bag, what I will do is I will use the raw material as loose sugar and I will pack it in 5 kg bag. This process we are going to demonstrate by passing a manufacturing or production entry. So let us create an item first as sugar 5 kg bag. To create an item, there are various methods to invoke the item creation interface. Here also by clicking create item button that is placed in the bottom, here you can see create item. We can invoke the item creation interface. So the item name I'm going to enter is sugar 5 kg bag. The item description I have entered is sugar 5 kg bag. The unit of measure I am choosing bag and the category I am giving or selecting as grocery. Subcategories also I am choosing grocery. Child subcategory also I am choosing grocery. SGST, CGST is 9%. HSN code you can enter. And at the moment, consider there is no opening stock. We are going to create this item as new. We do not have any opening stock for this product. System will automatically assign a barcode and a product description here. If you want to print a short name of this product in the barcode sticker, you can also customize it the way you wish to print the product name in the barcode sticker. By default, what is the product name you have entered that will also appear in the barcode label. If you want, we can change it. After entering all this information, mandatory information, by clicking the save button, we can create this item. Now, let us search again. Here you can see the newly created item appeared in this stock register, sugar 5 kg bag. And at the moment, there is no stock in hand at the moment. 0 is showing us the closing stock because we have just created this item. There is no opening stock. We haven't purchased any quantity. The intention is we are going to manufacture sugar 5 kg bag by utilizing this loose sugar in kilogram we have in our stock. We have around 102 metric ton of sugar in our hand. So let us demonstrate this production entry. To invoke the production entry, click on the work center and under the work center you can see production or manufacture. Click on this system. Here in the left side you can see auto generated manufacturing number 39. It means as of today we have passed or posted 38 production entries and the sequence of this current production is 39. This is auto generated, so we can very easily identify how many times we posted manufacturing entries. The date will appear automatically as the current date. If you want any backdated date, that you can modify it. Here we can mention a brief about the production. Let us make production of 100 bags of 5 kg sugar bag. The brief description I am entering is production of 100 bags of 5 kg bag out 5 kg sugar bag. This is the brief or remark of this production. Press enter key. Here you can see there are two parts. In the left side we have to define, in order to produce or make the production entry for 100 bags of 5 kg sugar, what are the raw materials you are consuming, materials consumption that we need to declare here. By pressing the enter key, whatever items you have created in the stock register, that will appear, and you can choose the product. I am choosing the product sugar. It is in kg. At the moment we have 102 metric ton in our stock. Select it. Whatever stock we have at the moment, that will display here as stock in hand. Here you can see 102 metric ton we have in our stock. Out of this current stock, for the production of this 100 bag of 5 kg sugar, how much sugar you are going to consume, that we have to enter here. So I am entering as 500 kilogram of sugar I am going to consume for the manufacturing of 100 bags of 5 kg sugar. 5 kg bag sugar. If again, or if there are another raw material, you can enter the raw material that you are going to consume in the next row. If you want to remove this row from here, by clicking the delete button, you can remove any of the row if you wish to remove. If you are using any special packing for this production, that paper bag also you can consume, so that your paper bag stock will also reduce from the stock register. If you are manufacturing bakery products like cake, definitely there will be some costly cake box. At the time of passing the production entry, in order to reduce the costly paper bag also from the stock, you can also include paper bag in the consumption, so that you can also manage the stock of the costly paper bag also. Once the material consumption product selection is finished, by pressing the enter key, the cursor will move into the production area. By utilizing or consuming this product, what is the finished goods you are going to manufacture, that we have to declare here. What we are going to manufacture is, by utilizing or consuming 500 kg of sugar, we are going to manufacture 100 bags of 5 kg sugar pack. So we have to choose the finished goods or output product, sugar 5 kg bag, that we have created just now. Here in this list also we can see at the moment there is no closing stock available. We have just created this item. Choose it. Here also system will display the product you have selected is sugar 5 kg bag. So we have to mention what is the output quantity. Output quantity is 100. So the current cost system will automatically calculate based on the raw material total cost. The raw material 500 kg of sugar is worth 20,000. With the cost of 20,000, we have or we are manufacturing 100 bags of 5 kg sugar, and each bag current cost is coming as 200. So 200 into 100 bag is equal to 20,000 raw material cost. If there is any byproduct or scrap, in this case there is no scrap. Depend upon the product you are manufacturing, if there exists any scrap, you can also mention that scrap information as a product, and later you can sell that scrap. Once the finished goods product information is finished, by pressing the enter key, you can save this production entry. Suppose you have forgotten to create the item, the finished new item, at the time of declaring the finished goods, here also you can see one button for creating a new product, like create item. By clicking this create item also, if you wish or if you want, you can create new item in this manufacturing or production interface also. After passing all this information, if everything is correct, by clicking the save button, we can save this production entry. Production entry saved successfully. In this way, if you want to produce another, or if you want to post another production entry, you can continue with that. Now let us go to the stock register once again. Let us search the product for sugar. Here we can see sugar 5 kg bag. The cost price is 200. Here in the closing stock, we can see 100 bag is appeared, and 100 bag worth the total cost value is 20,000. And in the production column, we can see 100, because this item is for stock value of this product. We have generated by passing the production entry. That is the reason how much quantity we have produced, that will appear in this production column. By putting the cursor in this production column and by pressing the enter key, how many production entries we have passed against this product we have selected, that will appear in this list. Suppose there are so many production entries we have passed. In this list, system will display on which date we have produced, what is the manufacturing number, what is the cost price, how much quantity was the output quantity. All that information we can see by pressing enter key in the production column. Now 200 is the cost price. In the sales bill, if you wish to mention a remark like after each sale, if you wish to generate an information like the customer has saved so and so amount in this bill, for that you have to enter MRP on this product. Cost is 200. Suppose MRP is 220. Before selling this product, now what we have done is we have produced 100 bags of 5 kg sugar. Now we have to fix the selling price. On what price you wish to sell this 5 kg bag of sugar. Since the cost is 200 and the MRP what we have put is 220, for the same price also I wish to sell this product 220. While generating the sales invoice, what is the retail selling price you set in the stock register, this system will automatically apply the retail selling price as what you have set here. Click on the save button to apply or set the selling price, retail selling price. So in order to pass a production entry, what we have done is from the work center, go to the production or manufacturing option, give a brief about the production as what is the product you are going to manufacture, that is the brief. We have to declare in order to produce the desired output, what are the raw materials you are consuming and what are the finished goods you are manufacturing, that we have to declare in the production or manufacturing process entry. To see the history of all the production or manufacturing processes we have done in the past, from the report menu, here you can see production report. Various production related reports are available here. By clicking production master detail, click on this get data button. How many production entries you have passed as of today, that will appear in the top side. The recent one appear in the top. Whenever you place cursor on a specific manufacturing number, in the bottom side we can see under this manufacturing number 38, what is the product you have manufactured and what are the products you have consumed for the production of this particular product, that you can see in the consumption area. The current latest one is we have produced 100 bags of 5 kg sugar. When I put the cursor on the recent manufacturing entry, here you can see in the production output quantity is 100, cost per unit is 200. The product is sugar 5 kg bag. In order to produce or manufacture this specific product, what are the raw materials we have consumed, that you can see in the bottom consumption area. We have used loose sugar, the unit is kg. The total quantity we have consumed is 500 kg. That information you can see here. There are various production reports are available here. During a specific interval, if you want to know month-wise production entries, by entering the date range and by clicking the monthly button, you can see during the period 16th January 2024 to 16th January 2025, what are the products I have manufactured. That summary you will get in month-wise. Here we can see sugar 10 kg bag. In the month of February, we have produced 10 bag. Total as of during this period only 10 bag we have produced, and this another item 50 kg bag in the month of January as well as February we haven't manufactured, but in the month of September and October we have manufactured 2 bag of this sugar 50 kg bag. In this way, if you want to see the production history month wise as well as year wise, you will get the report for easy analysis on each month. How much quantity I have manufactured, that information you can generate with the help of this report. We can generate either production as well as consumption information also. From the production, if you choose the production, you can generate the report of the production. What are the products you have manufactured? And if you choose the consumption, what are the products you have consumed during a specific interval, month-wise, year-wise, as well as date-wise report you can generate. Similarly, by clicking this MIS report, suppose today from and to I am giving the same date, today's current date, by clicking this inflow outflow report. Here we can see during the date range we have selected. Here we can see you will get a summary of the consumption products. What are the products you have consumed for manufacturing or production of various products, that you can see here in the consumption. You can see sugar we have consumed 500 kg during the date range we have entered. The current date we have entered from 16th January to 16th January, or today we have consumed sugar 500 kg worth 20,000, and the finished goods what we have manufactured is sugar 5 kg bag. How much quantity we have manufactured is 100 bag. So the consumption amount as is equal to the production amount. The only difference is the product what we have consumed is in kg and the output is in bag. The value will be same. In this way, depend upon the nature of the business you are doing or the nature of the product you are manufacturing, you can make use of this manufacture or production entry user interface. If you are doing a business of condiments like masala, you may be using different spices in a packet. The output will be spice packet, and in that inside the each packet there may be 5 or 10 varieties of spices you will use as raw material. That entry you can pass, or the food product distributors or packing business, if you are doing pulses packing or dry fruit packing, any type of food processing or food packing or any other packing business if you are doing, then you can utilize this manufacturing and production entry, and we can very efficiently manage the production process in Brainweaver's e-trade retail management system. You can also generate barcode with manufacturing and expiry date to paste on each packet. By clicking this barcode icon, you can choose the product. Here, sugar 5 kg bag. You can enter, suppose today is the date I have manufactured. You can enter the date of expiry. Suppose 1 year lifetime I have for this product. System will automatically assign a batch and load number. If we wish to keep the same as the batch and load number, you can keep it. Otherwise, you can define your own batch number. Once you entered manufacturing date, expiry date, and batch and load number, there are various templates are available here. Let us click on the first template, 2" into 1" format. Here you can see what is the offer price, what is MRP, product information, manufacturing date, expiry date, batch and lot information, FSI license information that will appear in the barcode sticker. We can generate this barcode and paste it on the product. If you wish to print your company address information, customer care, logo information, by choosing another template, we can generate the barcode sticker like this. So which format is suitable for your business, you can choose that template or layout. You can generate the barcode and paste in your each packet. So in this way, you can very easily manage production entries in Brainweaver's e-trade retail management system. So thank you for watching this video.